talking to you about this AWE SwitchPath Exhaust. And my God, this thing is awesome. I'm sorry, I kind of have to speak up a little bit because it is very loud. So as it turns out, this is not a subtle difference. We've gone ahead and deleted, and you know what? Put it in 6 so we can have a conversation here. Gone ahead and deleted the center muffler as well as the side muffler. So that's 3 mufflers gone, losing about 50-ish pounds. Now it may just be my imagination, maybe the placebo effect. I feel like the car is a little more nimble. And hey, 50 pounds is a lot of weight. It's being removed from the rear. Who knows, right? But my God, it is an order of magnitude louder. And that just makes it feel so much faster. And it has so much character. This car already, after you get to, revs to 9,000, so after you get past like 5,000, it already sounded exciting. But I have to say, before it did feel like maybe there was kind of something being held back a little bit. The beast has been unleashed now, thanks to this AWE SwitchPath Exhaust. I mean, it is just, it's a completely different level. Now, I do have to mention, being a completely different level means that this thing is loud. We did delete 3 mufflers. So, as it turns out, I have valves open right now. Let's close them. That's right, not a whole lot of difference. I thought that would do more. Now, a lot of people just opt for the center muffler delete, and then it's not quite as drastic a difference, but I believe the valves will be, audible. But, I don't know, I like race car. This sounds like race car. I am stuck behind someone here. Let's see if maybe I can overtake them up here. Oh no, they're just gonna let me through. Let's do a little no-lift shift. Oh, the sounds. It enhances the shift sounds. I mean, that is so cool. That is so cool. All right. This might be a little intense for some people who want more of a Jekyll and Hyde experience from their car. This is all Hyde. But I don't think it's that bad. I think the GT3 is kind of an intense car. I think it's supposed to be an intense car. So I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just saying for me, I want it, turned to 11. And I have done long drives in this car. I've done road trips in this car. I thought the exhaust might be grating, and it was kind of good to know that I could always go back to, just doing the center muffler delete. But I'm keeping it as is. Like, I feel like the character of this car is finally free. This car is free to be the car it wants to be. So, as you can tell, I'm pretty ecstatic about this. And I would say in general, I don't know if it's maybe because Porsche wants to just cater to a larger group of people, but now I realize that this engine has so much more to offer. I feel like the stock exhaust is kind of neutered, It's just the sound. You're getting the notes, but you're not getting the aggression. For you musicians out there, it's almost like having a 120-watt amp and like just playing it at bedroom volume. And now I'm finally able to crank it, and I'm loving it. I really, really absolutely love it. I can't really show you this because it's probably gonna be too noisy, but if you're ever on a back road or you find a tunnel, anything that reverberates, you have the windows down, like, you think it sounds loud in here. It is so loud outside, and like, it just bounces off of everything, and that is where you can't help but laugh. I have the dumbest smile on my face when I'm driving now. So yeah, if you're not into dumb smiles on your face, no, you still want it. Who are we kidding? Anyways, thanks so much for listening to me talk about this. Thanks so much for watching. I'd like to thank the guys at AWE as well as the guys at TAG Motorsports for installing this. Everyone was super friendly, super easy to work with. Very, very high quality experiences all around.